What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I got another misfire on the daily. Just when you thought you caught a break and you had a simple coil pack issue, it gets worse. Oh well, I guess it's time to get the code reader and hook this bad boy up. This one feels kind of different though. Last one, when you're driving, it was like a constant misfire. It would never come back on. And it always felt like it had, kind of the same idle, the same power. It was obviously missing a cylinder or two at the time. But this one feels different. This one, it cuts power, it surges, it goes back and forth. So I'm kind of scared of this one. I think this one's going to be pretty bad. Anyways, let me go get the code reader. I'll be right back. Alright, time for the moment of truth here. Two codes found. Read codes. Alright, PO128. Same old thermostat issue that I just haven't taken care of. Next one is going to be the bad one. Hopefully it gives me a cylinder. Oh, shit. There it is, folks. PO 300. The dreaded random multiple. You know what that means? That means it could be anything. It could be a coil pack, could be the ICU, could be a wire, a plug, an injector, catalytic converter clogged up. Could be anything. This isn't going to be a simple diagnosis today. I'm going to try and rule out the ICU because I know it's less than a year old. I'm going to try and rule out one coil pack because I know I replaced it just a few months ago. I can't rule out any of the plug wires. I can't rule out any of the plugs. I can't rule out the injectors. I can't rule out the cat. I can't narrow this down quickly. So even if it was a coil pack, since it's random and it's multiple, I don't have a way to change which ones are which. Random multiple could be, well, one coil pack controls two cylinders, and it could be happening sporadically, which would cause the random, and since it controls two cylinders, that'd be the multiple. But I still don't have a way of telling me which cylinders are missing, so I can't tell you which coil pack it is. A lot of people have been dealing with this recently too, so I've seen it all over the Facebook forums and the pages and everything, talking about random multiple. What do I do about this? It's like, well, you pretty much have to fucking do everything. So, gotta get it done though. Alright, now the question is, what do we do about it? Plugs and wires are cheap. You get copper plugs for about $2 or $3 a piece. You get a wire set for about $30. So, I mean, hell, you're looking at $60 to plugs and wires on it. But it's random multiple, so that tells me it's probably electronic more than anything. The only other thing it could be is ICU or coil packs. Coil packs are 40 bucks a piece. If I'm gonna need 3 of them, ICU's 120 bucks. I'm looking at $250 to replace all that. Plus the plugs and wires, if I want to do those, I'm up to 300 bucks. What a headache. I don't know. I don't know right now. You guys let me know down in the comments how you fix your random multiples. Because I don't know what I'm going to do yet. Alright, so here's what I decided. Wire set. 3 coil packs. Spark plugs. If it's the ICU, ignition control unit, aka the ICM, ignition control module, kind of screwed. That sucker's less than 6 months old, and they're about 160 bucks right now. And my local parts store that's closest to me doesn't have one in stock, so I'm gonna get started taking this apart. I'll take this bad boy off. We'll replace all the plug wires, all the plugs, and all the coil packs. I'll let you know how it turns out. Fingers crossed. Alright, here we go. Got all 6 spark plugs replaced. Got all 6 wires replaced. Got all 3 coil packs replaced. That was, of course, the easy part. Plugs and wires on this thing. It's a freaking joke, man. I tell you. I don't know why GM designed this crap the way it is, but I'm not even going to tell you how long it took me to do this, because, to be honest with you, it's pretty freaking embarrassing. But the only thing I didn't do is put the cover back on. We can do that real quick. Might as well. Everything else is back together. There. Cover back together. That thing dusty, boy. Alright. We're gonna turn it on. Go ahead and clear the codes. Okay, codes are cleared. Hopefully it's smooth. Feels pretty smooth. Might be onto something here. Ooh. Yeah, that's real smooth. I like that. Those plugs were pretty damn bad. There was almost nothing left of them. This is a random plug here. This might not even be the worst one, but let's see. We can get it to focus a little bit. Come on. Whatever, there was almost nothing left of the electrode. And that was all 6 plugs. So there was one wire that was broken a little bit, didn't have any insulation around the boot. Coincidentally, that was the easiest one to take off. The rest of them, pain in the ass. I just went ahead and put 3 new coil packs on it just because. Plus I had to get when I replaced one of them originally, as I did that in daily repairs. Number 1, I put my spare coil from the Camaro on it. So it's been on there that long. Glad I got it off, but yeah, it's definitely running really smooth right now. So I have basically no worries about taking this to work in the morning. I'm gonna go get cleaned up. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you on the next.